What is up, my YouTube nerds? It's your coding bro Mondo Man Codes here, bringing you the second video to our strings and C++ episodes. Last time I talked about three functions: assign, append, and dot size. If you haven't seen that video, I recommend you go and take a look. There should be a link right about now. Let's begin by opening up Visual Studio. In this video, I'll be going over compare, dot swap, and dot clear. Just functions that I think are essential to know while you're modifying or messing around with strings in your C++ programs. Let's keep it as a default. Hit create. Hope everyone's doing alright and staying healthy and whatnot. Alright, so as last time, we do hashtag include string just so we can copy over the string library with it, and we can use it within our actual program itself. Take that standard out and just using namespace standard. Alright, so the three functions are dot compare, dot swap, and dot clear. Right. Pretty simple and straightforward, sir. Dot compare function would have a setup of your first string, dot compare second string, and that will return a 0 if it's the same. If not, then doesn't return a 0. Your dot swap function's pretty much the same thing. Just your first string swapping with your second string, which that just swaps the data around. Your dot clear is the same as your dot size, so it's just your string that you want to clear. So string 1 dot clear if you want to clear your first string. Let's do a few quick examples here. So do string s1 equals hello. Let's do s1 dot clear. Take this C out, copy, paste. I don't know why it's giving me an issue here, but oh, that's what happened. There we go. Few little errors like that. Something you have to keep your eyes open for. So what we're doing, we created a string, named it s1, and put hello in that string. So s1 equals hello. So we're gonna print that out, then we're gonna clear it, then we're gonna print out the contents of s1. So the second print should have nothing in it. So let's do save and then run. Yep. And as you can see, it prints out your s1 string, so hello, but then once it clears it, it prints out nothing. That's a pretty straightforward way. And then let's do string s2 equals world. Right. Let's print these two separate. And now let's do s1 dot swap s2. And then let's print it once more. Alright, so we set s2 as a string with world inside, printing out s1 and s2 on two separate lines. we're swapping S1 with S2. So then afterwards we'll just print out S1 and S2. So let's save. There we go, that should be a bit better. My apologies if you guys couldn't see it. So we have hello world, well, hello world, and then once we swapped it, S1 now has world stored inside it, and S2 now has hello stored inside itself. Alright, now we do a quick and simple if statement. So if stir1 dot not stir1, if S1 dot compare S2 equals 0, see out these two strings are the same. Else, right? Are not the same. Save, and then run again. And as we can see, S1, S2 prints that out just fine. We swap those two string values. Now S1 has world, S2 has hello. We're clearing S1, so nothing in S1 anymore. So, and then if we do if S1.compare S2 equals 0, should print out that they're the same. If they're not, it prints out that they are not the same. As you can see, these two strings are not the same. What if we do S1 equal S2, right? Like I showed you last time. If we run it, there we go, right? Hello world, world, hello. Cleared S1, but now we're setting S1 to equal the value of S2, and in our if statement, those are the same, so it equals 0, or it is 0, so these two strings are the same. That pretty much wraps up this video. It was just, 3 more basic functions that help you, or you would need to know, or is very beneficial to know once you're programming in C++ and you're needing to, modify a string or, swap strings around. You're just messing around with strings. As always, like and subscribe if you found this content either enjoyable or informative. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And remember, stay nerdy.